In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, I am Zainab and I am going to present my presentation on the topic of biotechnology and the developing world. So first of all, I will discuss here what is the biotechnology. Actually, the biotechnology is the use of biology to solve problems and to make useful products. Biotechnology is particularly important in the field of medicine science, where it facilitates the production of proteins and the drugs. As I explained in the previous slide, the introduction of biotechnology, now there are the few branches of the biotechnology. Agriculture biotechnology. Agriculture biotechnology is a range of tools, including traditional breeding techniques that alter living organism or the part of the organism, make or modify products, improve plants or animals, or to develop microorganisms for the specific agricultural uses. The next one is medical biotechnology. It is the branch of medicine that use living cell and the cell material to research and then produce pharmaceutical and the diagnostic products. Then these products help in the treatment and the prevention of the disease. The next one is industrial biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology is also called as white biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology uses enzyme and microorganisms to make bio-based products such as chemicals, food products, detergents, paper, textiles, and biofuels. The last one is environmental biotechnology. Environmental biotechnology is the branch of biotechnology that addresses environmental problems such as removal of pollution or biomass production, etc. Biotechnology and the developing world. The question is why biotechnology has been developed. The ultimate goal of biotechnology is to benefit humanity. For example, the production of resistant crops, vegetables, recombinant proteins, higher milk producing animals, etc. GMO in agriculture and development. GMO, known as the living modified organisms, and are obtained from parent animals, plants, and the microorganisms. GM crops have been used not only in USA but also in Argentina, China, and Pakistan, showing that their farmers in developing countries benefit their cultivation. Arid land and desert biotechnology. Brown biotechnology is the branch of biotechnology that is related to the management of arid land and desert. Desert and arid land make a large part of the earth. But brown biotechnology considers crop management in the arid land and desert. It targets to develop the crop that could stand the extreme climate of arid region and grow well. Biosafety. Biosafety means the need to protect human and animal health and environment from the possible adverse effect of the products of modern biotechnology. Women in the partnership with biotechnology. According to the Jennifer Thompson's, it's all about empowering women to believe in themselves. Without women, we all go hungry. In developing countries, women produce 75% of the food. Biotech medicines and diagnostic aids are helping women to improve their health and thus the quality of their lives. Development of medicine with the help of biotechnology. Microorganisms can be used to make biological substances for humans which are equally effective as natural substances. Microorganisms such as bacteria and yeast are used to make substances like insulins and interferons. Insulin. Human insulin is being produced using genetic engineering techniques known as humalin, and it is used for the treatment of diabetes, that is low sugar level in the blood. Human growth hormone. Since dwarfism is used by the growth hormone deficiency, so it can be diagnosed by human growth hormone testing. So, human growth hormone is used for the treatment of dwarfism due to hypopituitary activity. The next one is genetic testing. Better drugs can be obtained by the knowledge of genetics. Genetic testing can be used to detect the mutation regarding genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia. It is also used to detect the various cancers. So these are all about genetic testings. The next one is environment. Environmental biotechnology helps to eliminate the waste products from the environment. The next one is cloning. Clones are the organisms that are the exact genetic copies. Every single bit of their DNA is identical. Clones can happen naturally or they can be made in the lab by placing egg cell on the petri dish to make embryonic stem cell, placing the cell in the body of the organisms. The last one is DNA and the DNA replication. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries genetic instructions used in the production development, functioning, and the in the reproduction of the all organisms. DNA replication. DNA replication is the biological process of producing two identical replicas of DNA from one original DNA molecule. This process occurs in all living organisms and is the basis of biological inheritance. Thank you. And these are our biotechnology in the developing world.